welcome back to our channel. Right now we're on our way to LA.
We're passing the Grapevine right now and we're going to a car show. It's a pretty big show. It's called Fabulous Sports Forever. Obviously it's all Fords. We're not going to be in the car show, but we're going to go check the cars out. It is probably too loud for you guys to hear us, so just enjoy the montage. We'll see you guys at the show.
Okay guys, we just got to Buena Park and we're looking for parking right now.
Because we're not in the actual show, so we're gonna park our cars somewhere else. A lot of freaking Ford out here, man.
But are you excited as F?
Tired as F.
So you're not excited?
Yeah, I am, but I'm also tired as F. How does my little freaking bun look sticking out over here?
Looks like a bunny tail.
Does it look like a soggy freaking butt just sticking out?
Yeah.
We found some parking, time to walk to the show. I need to pee for like the 6th time today. Alright guys, we are here at the show. We are looking around. We don't know where to look first because every car is so damn unique. So unique. Like you have that weird cool wrap, the other one over there, and just all sorts of beautiful mods. And then creative ideas on license plates. You got everything out here. You see another one, a freaking shark. Look at this, this is badass. Jay, you wanna see a shark? Come here. Bring it over here. That car is a shark. You see the mouth? She got scared.
Can I eat you? Can I eat you?
5-ooh. Yo, they literally blew the roof off this thing. This is tight. This reminds me of Fast and Furious, the orange Supra. Damn. Wildfire. Watch out. Just a 5-0. Coyote. Damn, beefy. You don't love your car till you get it under your hood. That's tight. Yo, this guy got a PlayStation 4 in the back of his car with the TVs inside. He got TVs in the back of the headrest. That's crazy. Babe, take away my wallet right now.
No, you're gonna buy me something.
Huh?
You're gonna buy me something.
Do you want something?
I kind of do. Which one?
That one for running, but
The light blue one.
That one I purchased the
Mean 302. We're gonna try to win a free prize over here. Wish us luck. We need it.
Step right up, guys.
This Ford GT looks like it's about to blast off in any second now. I fisted the Ford GT. Yeah. Alright guys, it's coming up, it's coming up. Who first, me or you?
You.
You? I mean you, I mean me. Yeah. Get a hat, get it, win a hat, babe. Bring a hat home. Ooh, a hat. So Giselle won a hat and I won the glasses. She said she feels like
we're pretty much gonna trade. I'd rather have the glasses and he'd rather have the hat.
Giselle feels like a Minecraft character, huh?
Yeah.
Ooh, Nitto over here. Try to get a sticker or something. We got a Nitto bag here at Nitto. I got a lanyard right there. Awesome. Babe's gonna get one too. These are the tires that I have on my car. Damn, they look good, brand new. Heck of grip. Yo guys, this is a Shelby GT500 Super Snake. Wide body in the back. Oh hey guys, I'm talking fat. Here's under the hood of a Kenny Bell GT500. Wide body. Has a roll cage. It's signed by Carroll Shelby. 1060 horsepower. This is the snake pit over here. All Shelbys everywhere. GT350s, GT500s, older GT500s.
Did you tell them which one you want?
Oh yeah, I didn't tell them that I wanted it, but the Super Snake, the one I showed you guys in there. Wide body.
Chris has always wanted like a really nice shirt from Shelby. And I told him I would buy it for him and he said no. That's why he always wears the same shirts every day. At every meet.
They're too expensive, it's like, damn.
Okay,
they're bad. Huh?
It's not like you're gonna pay for it.
I know, but still.
I would have said
damn.
yes at the very second.
For real?
Yeah.
Well, I like this colorway. You like this one?
Not really.
No? I like that
those
silver one.
They don't look as mean.
Which one looks the meanest?
Over there.
Oh, well, yeah, the wide body. Those are probably like $100,000 cars over here. These are like 35 to 60, maybe more. Oh, that one cook me. Oh, I'll cook you, baby. Just come under my grill and I'll cook you. Cook me, cook me. Guys, Jeanette's legs aren't gonna be hecka white anymore.
She's gonna have a tan.
Yeah, they're the only thing sticking out. Hey, I have those rims. Dang, guys, how crazy does this view look? Yeah, go buy me one.
Let's go.
Let's go. I'm just kidding.
You just made me do
Alright,
the whole
alright,
turn.
let's go.
Let's go.
Alright guys, I'm giving it and I'm gonna let her buy me a shirt. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Drive a Mustang no matter what.
Choose whatever you want. Are you gonna finish it? Are you eating chips? Oh, okay.
I want one at the Ford store.
At the Ford store? Why?
Because I wanted to say Ford.
Not Shelby? Why?
Because I don't have a Shelby.
Okay, let's go. Hold it.
I asked Giselle which Boss 302 she likes better, the 11 or 12 or the 13 and 14, and she said she likes that one.
You?
I like this one.
Why?
Because that's my year and it's newer. Let's go. So here we have found the bullets. I love this green, man. Thing is sexy. I hope they have the new one. Do you think they'll have the 2018 Bullet? Doubt it, huh?
Now right here.
Guys, we found ice cream. Giselle has some dibs, and we got Jeanette frozen lemonade.
I don't know, I was thinking of just
She's up
walking
in her
over.
little igloo. It's probably fresh in there. After this, my neck is about to be black. Is it bad?
Yeah, really
Oh
bad.
man.
Really bad.
Oh, man. I ended up finding the 2018 Bullet. It's over here in a different aisle though. They have all the bullets ever made right there, along with the new one. Jeanette's still jamming on the ice cream. I got some Ford earphones for signing up for newsletter, and Giselle is signing up.
Guys, Chris got bit by a snake out of nowhere.
I got it. I have superpowers.
Calm down.
Jeanette's gonna do a performance. Yeah. Woo!
No, you come right here.
No, you come right here.
No, you come right here.
No, you come.
Look, Jay, what did the Peppa say to the other Peppa? Let's go. Okay.
That's it? I thought you were gonna say, I'm in my mom's car.
I'm in your mom's car. Vroom, vroom. Get out me car. Aww. Babe, would you run away from that?
I can't.
Why not?
Have you seen it?
Sit down.
Guys, we are tired. We had to come to the car and drop some stuff off. We have like a lot of posters and bags and stuff. We also bought some shirts.
We only got the bags because we don't want to buy the ones at the grocery, right? But I guarantee you guys that we're gonna forget them either way.
We are gonna forget them in the car. Yo, what up, what up, what up?
So we just picked up a snack and we're gonna go check to see if any Mustangs crash, because it is likely to happen.
Yeah, it is most likely to happen. And yeah, we're just gonna watch them pull out, hear the nice exhausts and different types of engines, and then we will see if any of them crash. Hopefully we get it on GoPro footage or something, or on this camera. And yes, I will have Jeanette and Giselle like 100 feet away, well, as far as possible. And yes, they've been training on running, so Giselle's over there all safe. They're all scared. Baby J.
Huh?
Hey, Baby J.
Huh?
Good morning. Let's go to Target to go look for another Peppa. We still need the Grandpa Pig and the other one, I forgot.
Daddy Pig.
Oh, Daddy Pig. Let's go.
Hold it. Hold it, babe.
You wanna go look for another one? Okay.
So excited.
No more chupon.
Quick.
Okay, real quick. I got sunburned really bad, so I have to buy this now. Look.
Yeah, you look effed up.
Hey guys.
Alright guys, so we are in Norwalk at my cousin's house, and we've been here for a while now. It's 8 p.m. now, and we're gonna spend the night here. We just ate some, what are those called? Esquite? Oh yeah, and I ate a takis esquite, and she's eating a normal one. And Jeanette ate some ice cream and left half of it.
Watch, she's eating some.
What is up, guys?
Today's the next day. Last night we were just basically super tired. We had asked Chris's aunt if we could stay over.
Because we didn't get a hotel, we forgot to.
And it was like too late. We woke up pretty late too. We woke up at 10 and Chris had like 100 alarms on and we all kept snoozing them. And we just couldn't wake up. And then it was already like 11 when we ate.
Yeah.
It was late, so I don't think we're even gonna go anywhere, not even to the beach, because it's kind of windy.
It's 1:30 right now.
Yeah, and we don't want to be in the car dirty, because we're gonna go home after this.
So we're just gonna drive home right now.